Why you're not succeeding in sales? One mistake that you oversee. Hate to break it to you, but people aren't listening to you for you. They are listening because they want to know what is in it for me. Think about it. You are just listening to me right now, not just because who I am. It is because what I am teaching is adding value to you. This principle applies to everything in life, whether you are giving your presentation, sales pitch, or even interview. You have to frame your message in such a way that highlights the value for them. This will keep your customers' attention and engage them. If you focus only on yourself, your products, you're going to lose them. But if you focus on their needs, their requirement, you keep your customers' attention locked in. Think about it.